Ready? In one, two, three.
Hey guys, it's Todd with Contour Dermatology. I'm here today with Emhrys Cooper, and very, very pleased. He's a good friend and an incredible guy. Today we're going to do a little bit of filler. We're going to use Restylane Contour, and the reason for that is that I want to kind of build out just a little bit right here and give him a little bit of more volume through here. It's a great product. It's a big molecule, and it goes out very, very smooth. So it doesn't give you that bumpy appearance that some of the other fillers might. And I'll let him tell you what he's doing.
Yeah, so hi. I'm just about to play an ancient old English vampire who's been asleep for 100 years, so I should feel very rested, I think, and I live off blood. So, I'm really excited. I haven't had filler in a long time, but I've been on this very strict workout regime and I've lost some weight, so I'm hoping to get a little freshened up and a fuller, youthful look, ready for camera. I start filming next Monday, so I'm very excited to be here today.
Cool. I'm just going to clean you off here. Sorry. No, you relax. I want you to be as relaxed as you can be. Okay.
Is it weird? But I actually kind of like the smell.
Yeah. No,
What's
I love
with
this smell.
weirdo, right?
No, not at all. So right here is, we call it the piriformis. And when people start creating these nasolabial folds, I can put a little bit right here, and it's surprising how it pulls everything out. As we get older, we lose the fat pad right here. We also lose the some bone mass that's right there. So I go in deep right there. This hurts a little. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now smile for me. And you can kind of tell the difference that this has disappeared some while he still has this one right over here. Okay. All right. I'm just going to fill for some. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Yep. You're so gentle.
Literally no one has ever called me gentle before.
That's a first. No, seriously, you are. I can barely feel it. Maybe I'm numb.
Thank you. Yeah, good.
I am numb, yeah.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Emhrys told me beforehand he doesn't want anything that's obvious. He does not want to look overdone. And so what I'm trying to do is give him a very, very natural look, and at the same time, make him look a little fuller. 1, 2, 3. I'm also very nervous. He's a handsome guy.
Very handsome.
I don't want to mess that up. Okay. One, two, three. Smile for me and relax. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. Wow, yeah, that's great. I love it. Subtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm great.
Perfect.
Very gentle.
Let's make.
Let's do the other side.
Let's do the other side.
Yeah, that's important.
Yes. Just turn your head a little bit towards me. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Yep.
One, two, three. You okay?
I'm good. Yeah. Don't worry about me.
I have to worry about
Thank
you.
you, though. I appreciate it. I'm an old vampire, remember?
Mm-hmm.
This is nothing. I'm going to feed on you later, so...
What do you do to prepare for the role?
I'll tell you afterwards, just because I don't want to mess up the...
Of course.
So are you a method actor?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Yeah.
I mean, there's been a few people missing in Palm Springs recently. I don't know if you've noticed. I swear it wasn't me.
It's Emiliano.
Yeah. He's a sorcerer,
Yes.
but he'll turn soon. I'm just bringing him over to the dark side.
The other thing I want to make sure that I don't do, and the reason why I'm holding pressure, is that I really don't want him to bruise. He's filming on Monday, and so I want to make sure that he is bruised without bruises. 1, 2, 3.
Can I work out tomorrow?
Yes.
Cool.
With filler, you can work out the same day if you'd like. Have you already worked out this morning? If you haven't noticed, Emhrys works out a little bit.
Yeah.
When I see you at the gym, you're always on the Stairmaster, though.
Yeah, I try and do twice a day at the moment. I'm doing like weights in the morning and then cardio in the afternoon. It's a good feeling though when you've made
It is.
progress, yeah. I love cardio now. I didn't like it before.
I love cardio.
Yeah, as far as my prep for the role, yeah, I found out, luckily I had some time. I found out early May, so I've been training. I gave up sugar and alcohol, which has been dull,
Yeah.
but, great for my health. Gave up sugar and alcohol, and I've been training and, working on the script.
Nice.
And just biting a few people here and there.
Yeah, I guess you have to bite people if you're not taking any sugar or alcohol, right?
Yeah. You have to have some fun.
You just find the diabetics.
Yeah, I heard it's also, blood is good for your youth.
Mm-hmm.
Some young bucks. Young blood.
You okay?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. me come right over here. Okay. You're okay. Oh, you kicked him.
Yeah.
I can't take him anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's a syringe.
Awesome.
Looks great.
That was really not bad at all.
No.
Oh, wow. I love it.
Yeah.
Minus the blood. There we go.
There you go.
No, that's really good. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you think?
I think you look great, but I thought you looked great beforehand.
It's just a little...
It's just a little bit more fullness, and it's not tremendous.